Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to show you this super amazing smoothie. I gave it FXS, Fruity Sweetie Smoothie, because I'm using my leftover fruit for this particular recipe. And guess what? It doesn't require any other sweetener. So let me just introduce you to this fruit that I use for this recipe. So here I have some frozen pineapple, some frozen strawberry, one medium banana in room temperature, and 1 cup of skimmed milk. Don't worry, you can use any milk of your choice here, any. Then don't forget, we don't need any other sweetener because these fruits are already sweet. And yeah, I'm telling you, after making it, the taste is gonna trigger you to want to have more. Yeah, all you have to do is blend everything till it's completely smooth and then serve. So my job is done here for today. See how beautiful it looks. It's for 2/7, and yeah, one for me and one for my partner. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to try out the recipe. Let me know how you feel about it after trying it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.